According to Xerox, Xerox Smart Start is an end-user installer designed to get users printing and scanning with Xerox printers as quick as possible. You would be a great fit for the Xerox Smart Start application if you don't have an IT department that can help you with printer installations. There are two ways that you can install your printer with Xerox Smart Start: the Quick Install or the Advanced Install. Quick Install. This is the installation method that will automatically install the print driver based on your operating system and printer model. Launch xeroxsmartstart.exe. Agree to the EULA agreement. Xerox Smart Start will scan for printers. Select the printer you want to install. If you select Quick Install, you're done. If you select Advanced Install, then Xerox Smart Start will present you with a list of options. Once you have selected the options you want, select Install to start the installation process. When the installation finishes, Xerox Smart Start will display a confirmation screen. You can install another printer or exit by selecting Done. You also have the option to print a test page. Business consultants are here to guide you to the correct product. And now with the use of Xerox Smart Start, we're making the installation headache a thing of the past.